Hello all, today's video about Excel if functions. Here we are going to see how we can use if function alone, and if we record more than one if, how we have to use, and how we can use if function along with other logical functions such as AND function and OR functions. So I will show you some examples here. So first we will start with if function alone. Here I am going to write a formula for pass or fail. So we have to put if formula here. So logical test is nothing but here score is greater than or equal to 60. Here 60 we can write or we can refer some cell. So referring cell is the most flexible one, since if the criteria is going to be changed means we no need to edit the formula in it every time. Here one cell itself we can change the value, so automatically formulas will get changed. So here we have to lock this cell, since same formula we are going to apply the bottom cells also. So after locking the cell we have to put comma, and if value is true means we need pass, so we have to type pass. So we have to be very mindful whenever we are typing some text in if function, we have to use quotation marks. After that again we have to put the comma and space. If less than 60 means, which means value is false, means false should fail should become. So again we have to close the quotation mark and we have to close the bracket. So now we can see whoever scored greater than 60 pass came, whoever scored less than 60 fail came. Likewise second function, so here we are going to measure some persons whoever scored between 60 and 80. So here we can use AND function. So first we have to write if formula, and first itself we have to use AND function, and again we have to open the bracket and we have to give the logicals, which means score greater than or equal to 60, and we have to lock the cell, and comma score is less than or equal to 80. We have to lock the cell and we have to close the bracket, and if the value is true I need good, so I am typing good and comma and space. If the value is false I don't want anything, I am going to keep it blank. So I need blank means I have to put two quotation marks and I have to close the bracket. So that's all. So now whoever scored between 60 and 18 good came, remaining blank came. So now we are going to see how we are going to use one more if in the same if function. So let's say here the conditions are I am going to put good for who all are scored between 60 and 80, and I am going to add one more thing, whoever scored greater than 90 excellent. I have to mark it as excellent. So here the formula is I will put if, and first I have to put and, again I have to open the bracket, and first logic is greater than or equal to 60. I have to lock the cell and comma, and I have logic 2 is score less than or equal to 80. Again I have to lock the cell, I have to close the bracket. So first logic is completed. So value is true means I need good, so I close now. So now I have to add one more criteria, which is greater than or equal to 90. So here value is false means here I have to write one more if function here. So again if, so now logical test is score greater than or equal to 90. I locked the cell, and value is true means I will type excellent. Excellent. So if the value is false I will keep it blank, so that I will put two quotation mark and I close the bracket. So now you can see whoever scored less than 60 blank came. So whoever scored between 60 and 80 good came. Whoever scored greater than 90 excellent key. So this is the one thing. And final one is we same here we used AND function. Now we are going to use OR function. So let's say I need to focus on I need to put focus for whoever scored greater than 90 and whoever scored less than 60. So here the formula is again if logical test is score. First we have to put the logical functions, which is OR. So OR function. So here score is greater than or equal to 90. I have to lock the cell, comma, logical 2, again score is less than or equal to 60. So I have to lock the cell and I have to close the bracket. So now values true means I have to put comma, values true means we have to type focus. So comma, if values false means I need blank. So space, 2 quotation marks, bracket closed. That's all. So now we can see whoever scored less than 60 and whoever scored greater than 90 focus gain. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, put the like symbol and subscribe me for more kind of videos. Thank you.